Now we'll be showing you what's inside of this circle. What's inside basically of a fidget spinner. So you can take this off, just like that. Looks like that. Then you have this. It's called the bearing. This is a metal one. You can get like golden, silver, like different kind of bearings. But this controls the fidget spinner. Like this makes it spin. Like without this, it would just be like, it wouldn't even spin. So yeah, it's kind of difficult like to put it like that. Like I'll have to do it with my pinky. Like, oh no, that's too small. So I would do like, if you take these off, like the lids, then you have this. Then it's quite hard to spin like on your middle finger and your thumb. But if it's like this, like, and then it's like simple to spin. Like it's okay. But what you can do is push this out. Oh, oops, wrong way. So like if you do it the wrong way and it doesn't work, then you have to try to do it the other way. Wait, what? It doesn't work on my one. So, but if it doesn't work, then it just doesn't work. It's glue like that. It's like glue or it's stuck. But as well, you can use the sides. Like you can use the sides. Well, this one doesn't have like the bearings on the side. Well, I think it does, but this one it just literally has bearings. Like that makes it like you can fidget with it like that. This one you have to like find the correct one like to even move it like that. Like on the video it seems like it's like a lake actually is really smooth, but nah, it just slips out of my hand like boom. Like, you see this? Now you can't tell. So yeah, you see this? Easier like this. So it's basically like this. When I move it, it goes like that. Like it doesn't. The bearing doesn't even move. It just glued like that, I guess. So yeah, there's like it's the only one that has like the metal bearing inside. So yeah. Our challenge is to try to get this out. Dun, 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 dun. Nope. It doesn't want to work. Doesn't work at all. But if you want to put it in, you just get this. Put it in. Press. And press. And it's back. Just normal condition. There you go. And that's all. Dun, 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 dun. This one you can like, whoops, my hands are slippery. This one you can like turn to like take out, but it's quite hard. You have to use like, I don't know, like you're not allowed to have like slippery hands or else it won't work. Because you literally have to untie this one like. But this one it is the same. It's a different model, so it doesn't like you can't take this out. Can you take the sides off? No. So On the red one, you can't take anything out. I don't know why, just create it like that. You could probably take out of the, yeah, but again my hands are slippery, so I can't take anything out. Aww. It's smooth. So good. Yeah. Let's pack these up. So, yeah. See you in the next video.